College pun vibro kajem tip nam ta ki result ki bapen mi lang ba ka MPSC Mikhalia Public Service Commission Shillong tekane ka result kadai bapen mi minta kasingi arp santir July arjar saw. The result of the main examination to the post of Mikhalia Police Service under Home Police Department August 2019 tekan mau kini gidon shoy ka prelim daladap ka prelim dan kadon sa ka mains examination te kini kani ka result kadai tang ke bala pas ka mains daladap ka mains kandon yang sa ka personal interview. Te kini ada ya ka exam uni kita rek belada panai ar tarik panai manikau arjar saw terter hadu ar tarik manai arjar saw. Te kini kandid lada declare successful iki bagi lapas bagi poi ka personal interview. Inombar dong khatlai ar khandai senplai senru rufuin ruflai riu rapsaw pasan pakhatwai palai fly palai fenriu pasan fly san span rupo span rup khandai span yu span yu prapo aspasau aspalefue aspalefsau aspasapo aspasapue aspasapoi lai. The personal interview will be held on 20 and 21 August 2024 at 10:30 a.m. in the office of the commission. Candidate bearing the above roll number are to download their intimation letter from the commission website. Sports person category who do not have proof for justification will not be allowed to appear in the personal interview. Te namta kan post MPS Mikhalia Police Service kadon kumba karkum ko vacancy kadon kumba khan new tali post kiba qualify kidon kumba arpo new. All the best namta kini ki arpo nyungut post khan new ko qualify don arpo nyungut. All the best namta jongki the interview kan dai arpo bar arpo 3 August arjar saw. Tanggi negi jumtip College pun.